Hi, today is May 1st, and the bird of the day is the Leach's storm-petrel. This weird guy here who spends a lot of time all the way out to sea, sometimes sitting on the water, a lot of times flying. I've been doing a lot of birds that I see in my backyard, which is exciting, but today it was very stormy and there were no birds in the backyard, so I thought I would switch it up. Leach's storm-petrel, Oceanodroma lurcoha. Common in north, uncommon south of Massachusetts. Found on open ocean, usually deep water, rarely seen from land. Nests in burrows on grassy islands. Visits nest only at night. Usually solitary, but may form groups or mix with Wilson's storm-petrel at rich feeding areas and roosts in flocks. Feeds on plankton. Distinguished from Wilson's storm-petrel by longer, more angled, arched wings, deep wing beats, and bounding flight. May recall nighthawks. Longer, strongly notched tail can be difficult to see, and shorter legs. Averages paler and browner than Wilson's storm-petrel. White rump patch less extensive with little or no white wrapping around sides. Infrequently patters on water's surface. Voice, musical purring and chuckling chatter at nest site. The Leach's storm-petrel.